Hello traders and welcome to the Market Open Preview on a Monday, July 7th, 2014. Traders, this is brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. Traders coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. Sunny blue skies, white sandy beaches, and beautiful blue water. Traders, great to be with you for another trading week. So let's get started. A lot to talk about today. A couple of minor news, not a lot of data today. But we'll take a look, and we have two currency pairs to go over in detail. All right, traders, before we get started, if you would, please let me introduce myself to you. My name is William Gilday, and I'll be your moderator today and every day as we bring you the Market Open Preview before the London Open. Traders, I started trading in 2006. In 2008, I retired from a wonderful career in the fire rescue department out of the great state of Florida. Traders, after I retired, 9 days later, I got on a big airplane, came over to Thailand for a 3-month vacation. Traders, I'm still here. It's 2014. Traders, this is a great second career for me. It's exciting, it's invigorating, it's a lot of fun, and I love being in front of my computer. I love being in front of my charts. And I have to tell you, I love educating and sharing my mistakes so you don't have to make those mistakes, right? All right, traders. So that's a little bit about me. I trade every single day. I'm in front of my charts on the weekend studying. I just really enjoy what I do as a second career in life, and I'm having a great time. So before we get over to the news, let's take a look at the risk disclaimer. Forex trading has a large potential rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex markets. Traders, the most important thing is please do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Traders, if you're using your expense money, please rethink your situation, take a deep breath, and go to a demo account. Once you can trade the Forex markets live comfortably with your financial situation, you will find you will become a better trader and a heck of a lot less stress. All right, traders, let's move over to the Monday news events. All right, just taking a look, if those of you who checked out the Friday wrap-up, I brought this up then, but we'll bring it up again. The Dow 30 closed up at 0.54%. S&P closed up at 0.55%, and the NASDAQ 100 closed up at 0.61%. All of them up over 50%. Absolutely wonderful. All right, let's take a look at the other side of the pond, and the DAX closed down at 0.20%. The FTSE 100 closed up barely, just making it at 0.01%. The CAC 40 was down 0.47%. All right, what else we want to take a look here? The Nikkei 225, which is currently trading, is down 0.04%. The Shanghai is down 0.34%. The Hang Seng is down 0.24%. And the S&P ASX out of Sydney is down 0.05%, and they are still actively trading. The Kospi 200 is down 0.53%, and again, they are still trading actively. All right, traders, so that is a little bit of what happened in the trading floors. So let's talk about today's news events. Today's news events, there's really not a lot coming out. In fact, I don't think there's any medium impact data coming out. And the only high impact data we have coming out today is just before the New York session, we have the CAD, Building Permits Month on Month, and the CAD, IB Purchasing Managers Index. Those are the two high-impact news events today. Please check your economic calendar to protect your trading positions as your day goes on, as I only place high-impact news events on this slide. All right, what do you say? Monday at the charts. All right, let's go check this out. This is a pair I was looking at. It looks really cool. And this is the Pound Aussie daily chart. Look at this, traders. Look at that 200 exponential moving average, which is at 1.7944. Look at all the times it's tested that 200 and not able to close below it. Does that have some power in trading? Absolutely. And take a look at price currently. It's at resistance. So we got a red candle. Today looks like a candle, but the day's new, so we have a full day trading day ahead of us. However, the Aussie is weak again, and the pound is still strong. So I am figuring that this is going to continue to the upside. So my bias in this is we're definitely looking for long trades in this. And I think we have some room definitely on this daily chart and absolutely on the 60-minute chart. So let's take a look at that. Here's our 60-minute chart. As you can see, I stuck a new trading tool on there, which I really enjoy and I've used for many years, and that is Andrew's Pitchfork. So just to go over the Andrew's Pitchfork real quickly, the center line in the fork is called the median line, and the upper line is the upper parallel line, and the lower line on the fork is the lower parallel line. I would say go and check it out. Go either Google it or go to YouTube and see how traders use the Andrew's Pitchfork. But I'm going to use it more, and we'll get into it and talk about it a little bit more as time goes on. But let's take a look at this pound Aussie on the 60-minute chart. I'm just waiting for this to give us a pullback a little bit, and we're going to take this up. Where's our target? Of course, the 161.8 Fibonacci level. However, at that top parallel line on the fork, I would consider scaling out and taking some profits. Our stop is going to be at the low parallel line, and that we would have there anyhow because that's the bottom of the fib. So this is really looking good. You can see the little beige line I have in there. So we basically want to take that from that area, and we want to take this up. If this closes above the median line, traders, let's take this long. Let's take it long. This is a 60-minute chart. We can get some pips, and we can get out of this thing. If it goes to the top parallel line, if we get 20 pips, 30 pips, we're out of there. Day done. Have a nice day, and we'll come back tomorrow. Right? So nice little trade plan on the pound Aussie. All right, traders, this is the pound Aussie on the 15-minute chart. Basically, same thing. We just fib this, 2 to the right, 2 to the left on the upside, 2 to the right, 2 to the left on the downside, and we're looking for a bullish candlestick formation. As if you look, the current candle is an indecision candle, and the 2, 3, 4 candles before it are indecision candles. So maybe at the London Open, we can get this bad boy to go long. So we want to take this long. We're going to put our stop just above that 200 exponential moving average at 1.8300. Looks good to me. Well, 83.10. I'd probably put it like 83.10, maybe 83.15. But really looks good. This looks like a really nice trade setup. Simple. I like simple. And this just looks like a really nice setup that we can handle easily and quickly. All right, traders, we do this every single Monday. So let's take a look at the euro dollar. Euro dollar on the daily, it is still bearish. I've been bearish in this pair for a long time, and I will continue to be bearish. Look at this chart. Absolutely beautiful. This just tells me I want to come all the way down to that lower Bollinger Band, and we are going to hopefully get that this week, and we're just going to absolutely sell the euro dollar to the downside. We want to go short here. So let's take a look at the 60-minute chart and see what kind of a trade setup we have. All right, traders, euro dollar 60-minute chart. Look at this. We want to see a pullback. If it comes to the 23.6, that's fine. I was hoping that 38.2 we would get up there, but if it goes to the 23.6, I have no problem taking it short at that area. That is resistance. So the optimal trade is where my arrow is and the beige line, and if it goes to the 23.6 fib, we'll take it down from there. And that's real simple, real easy, no problem there. Look at the histogram on the bottom of the chart. Nice histogram to the downside below the zero line. And the Williams R is sort of like going the other way, but let's see what happens here at the negative 80 line and see if this turns around at the London Open and continues to the downside. Again, look at the current candle and the previous candle, indecision candles. So there's not a lot going on as far as the bulls going to be able to take control of this pair, so we want to see this come down. All right, so what are we going to do? Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart. Now, this chart we need to be a little bit more aggressive on this 15-minute chart. Look at where the 200 exponential moving average is. This is important. 1.3600. How many times have we been at 1.3600, right? And we've always had a reaction there, so we have to keep this in mind as we wait for our pullback. This might pull back all the way to the 200 exponential moving average, and that is okay. We can take that from there. However, I got it marked, and the 61.8, we want to take it down from there. We're going to sell it. Look at the Bollinger Band, curl to the downside, beautiful. And hopefully at the London Open, we'll get this to notch up and then come down. So this needs to go up, turn around, and then give us a bearish candlestick formation, and we're going to sell this. I have no desire to buy the euro dollar at any price. I do not want to buy the euro dollar. I want to sell the euro dollar. All right, traders, that wraps up our currency pair preview. And on behalf of myself, William Gilday, and FXCL Excellence in Trading, I'd like to thank you for joining us today. Traders, we will see you tomorrow again, the market open preview before the London Open. Traders, have a good trading day, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.